Here's a 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. As refined as it is rugged, this truck is ready for the job site, campsite, or city lights. And it comes with all the amenities you need. V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system with voice activation, Wi-Fi hotspot, front heated leather bucket seats, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports it has the size, the features, and the looks necessary to become the dominant truck in the compact class. Just don't mistake it for a midsize. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.